In additive manufacturing, a part is built by selectively melting powder material using a laser beam. It is a highly complex process which involves adjusting a large number of variables to influence the properties of the part. At EOS, we ensure that the degree of complexity remains at a manageable level with the EOS ParameterEditor. EOS Parameter Sets allows you to produce standardized parts with qualified properties. You can also use the Open Editing function. This gives you full control over how you influence the process variables. For example, you can modify the values of parameters to adjust surface quality, mechanical properties, cost per part, and many other factors to suit your requirements. Now you can push the boundaries of component quality even further. A unique feature of the EOS ParameterEditor is its patented exposure strategies. EOS ParameterEditor stand out from the others with reduced costs, higher part performance, and superior quality.